So what is A/B testing? Basically, when you're doing any campaign, okay, so like remember you saw a few minutes back I was confused whether once again I was confused like which color would go. Will this color work better, or will simple black color would work better with white text? So I was clearly confused. This one or this one, or this one or this one. If you keep on getting confused, what you have to do? Nothing. Just use both and let Facebook decide which one works best. Okay. So basically what we'll be doing is we'll be creating 3-4 versions of our ads. We might create a black color ad, we might create red, we might change this. Instead of 7 days, we'll write learn Facebook ads or in 7 days, or we can say for just ₹99 learn Facebook ads, get 2 to 3 sales daily using Facebook ads. Just try out various things. So whatever permutation and combination you can make. Okay, so that's the thing, that's called A/B testing. It's applicable for image, it's applicable for targeting. Remember yesterday we were discussing, should we go for age below 30 or below above 30, students, parents, lots of things we were getting confused. So leave it to Facebook. Create one ad set with the one interest, one age group. Create another ad set with another target audience. Create one image with, well, keep on creating variations. 2-3 ad sets, 2-3 images. Okay. So to start with, I would suggest you to start with minimum 2 ad sets. Minimum. The best would be to go with 3 ad sets. Okay, 3 ad sets, and then inside each ad set, put 2 images and then 2 headlines. Okay. I'll go to Paint again. Basically, you have designed one image, image 1, image 2. Guys, listen carefully. I won't be repeating this thing again. Image 1. This is just kind of best practice to get started. Everyone has their own best practices. This is one is for mine. So you've created 2 images now. Image 1, image 2. So create one ad set. Put image 1 there. Put image 2 there. So now you have 2 ads. Then copy it again. Create 2 more ads. So basically in one ad set you will have 4 ads. Okay. And then what you have to do is put headline 1 inside image 2, headline 1, headline 2, headline 2. Okay, so till now we have 2 images, 2 headlines, and how many combinations we got? 4. Just by designing 2 images we are getting 4 images. Basically nothing, just maths, pure permutation and combination. And then this is, put this inside one ad set. Array, this, put this inside one ads, no, let's say ad set 1. Okay, this is ad set 1, and then duplicate the same ad set, copy the same ad set, allow me to copy, copy the same ad set and create one more ad set. Let's say that is ad set 2, and in this target some other people, so some other kind of audience. That's it. So you'll have, basically you're allowing Facebook multiple things, that you can try this, you can try that. And then what's the role of A/B testing? We will see which ad works. If this is working better, this ad is giving good result, stop the others. If others are giving better, start first one. Like whichever is working best for you, continue with that. That's the kind of thing. Okay.